So some couples arrive here and say that there's no place for them in their relationship. It feels as if their partner only thinking about themselves, as if they are selfish, they are narcissistic. They never listen to another opinion, and it feels that there's no place for them in their relationship. Now the good news is, it is possible that you can also be in a relationship where there's place for you in all of who you are. So sometimes it feels that you don't have any voice. You talk but no one is listening. Or that you feel powerless. You try many things but nothing is changing. So why this is important, that it's possible to move from that voiceless place, unheard and powerless, to a place where you can feel that there's transformation, there's change, you feel heard, that your partner is hearing you, and that you feel that there's space for you. So you will ask me, how will your partner change if they are so selfish, so self-centered? What will happen that change can happen? So what we see, how change can happen for you in a relationship, when you have that feeling in your relationship, is instead of focusing on your partner, to start to focus on how can you become a safe place for your partner. If you become that safe place, if the safety changes, not your partner, if the safety in the relationship changes, then your partner will change. It's a little bit like fire. Fire can be warmth, nice and cozy in the winter, or fire can be dangerous and burning everything. If fire is uncontained, it's deadly. But in certain circumstances, fire is cozy and warm. And that's exactly what I want you to do, is to learn through this process of Imago relationship therapy, to learn the art to create safety in your relationship, so that your partner's fire is not something that destroys you, but that your partner's fire, that energy there, that opinion, that way of looking, that way of being busy, that energy can become warmth for you when you are in the cold. So how to do that? The first step is step out of your place of powerlessness or victimness, that place where you believe I'm stuck, I can't do anything about it. Step out of that place. It's a decision. The second step is shift your focus away from what's wrong with your partner, and especially to shift your focus away from they will never change. They will always be so narcissistic, or they will always be so selfish. So these two steps, step out of your own victimhood and step out of your vision that your partner will never change and you are stuck with that. Shift your focus to the space between the two of you, to the quality of the safety in between. So away from victim and what's wrong with your partner, to what's unsafe in the space and what can you do to restore safety again. So you have a choice. You can be a victim, being married to a narcissist for the rest of your life. You can choose that. Or you can learn the art of creating a space, creating a relationship, learning the skills through Imago relationship therapy to create a space where there's not a victim and a narcissist, or a victim and this dangerous person you're living with, but two human beings in a relationship enjoying life together. It is possible. Change is possible. Imago relationship therapy can teach you that. That's the first step.